2020 Porsche Macan. With less than 31,000 miles on the odometer, this SUV offers space as well as power and performance. You'll absolutely love all of the included premium features such as side view mirrors with turn signals, lane departure warning, Wi-Fi hotspot, satellite radio, navigation, turbocharged engine, multi-zone air conditioning, all-wheel drive, parking aid sensor, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, memory seat, tinted windows, rear air conditioning, power driver seat. Schedule a test drive now before this model is gone.